Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Yate today. Bought all three of these in the Cancer Research UK charity shop. Another one of those little jigsaws, wooden, lots of pieces. Yeah, £1.25 that one cost me. Timber kits, Happy Hands automata. You can either turn the handle or you can rig it up to use their little electric motor. I have a couple of the electric motor kits, but we'll probably just make it up for the handle at some time. Paid £4 for that. I just like them enough to actually pay a reasonable price for them. Obviously, you can decorate them if you want. And then finally, make your own remote control dog. Satsuma. Did a Satsuma puzzle or something the other day. Oh, I think that was the electric dough or something or other. £2.50. Reason I like the idea of this one is it says it's radio control. It's only going to be forwards and backwards, but I thought that was an interesting novelty addition. Make it radio control. I would guess it's just an electric motor, drives the gears, those cams turn round, lift the legs up while it supports itself on those legs. Legs go round and forwards a bit, and then lifts it up using those, and the body will move forwards. So fairly simple, but I thought it might be a bit of fun to put it together, assuming it's all in there. There was another kit. Recommended retail price £15. Wherever that was, $7.99. Yeah, there was another kit there for a safe with a combination lock on it, which looked interesting, but that was going to be £2.50 as well. I didn't want to spend £5 straight away. Yeah, that's just me trying to save money. Anyway, I thought I'd buy this one. If I go back there again next week and it's still there, I might consider the other one. So we'll put that together, but in a different video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.